for our standalone. So we back then, I think January is when we started this partnership with IKEM. A lot of deliberation happened before we chose them. It was entity data, our own connect team, and IKEM. We thought they had a relevant experience to actually come and bring in the value of SAP Public Cloud valuation. So I would like to thank all the controllers, the treasury team, IKEM team, FR team, and everybody who has given the inputs here to reach where we are. As a plan, we started with a small subsidiary founded July 1st. Then we actually migrated to the other two subsidiaries, Teriad and Vedan, and today a standalone entity. Big round of applause to everybody. And all the very best. A small bit about public cloud. Why did we choose this? Is basically because when we were thinking of separating ourselves from Questsoft Limited, we had option to go on-prem and go public cloud. We actually analyzed all our SAP environment and we saw that most of our environment was not so much customized. So this was what we felt was the right time to get into best practices that is available, which is what public cloud was actually offering us. One, number two, even in terms of any implementation, the turnaround time actually is very less in terms of public cloud because you get in the best practices from there. Third, we wanted less number of customizations to actually go through because people had to follow a procedure. Because over a period of time, what we realized was this company, because it was actually a company and because of legacy issues, they carried on their own activity customization, bringing up best practices. So 2-3 reasons we chose public cloud, and today is the day that we are going live. I believe shared services team has already raised one invoice.
It's a big effort which goes into this. I've gone through a lot of SAP implementations, including one at Quest. When I joined, I was told that we are almost on the verge of doing an SAP migration, and that was S4 HANA that we were doing then. And so when I got into, I realized that we were implementing S4 HANA for more than a year. This was 3 years back, and I was told that by next quarter we have to go live. And we took almost another 1 year to go live. So it was almost a 2.5 year project. Almost 18 months prior to me joining, and 1 year I myself to go live on S4 HANA. So given that, I think this one is a fantastic achievement because when we demerged, I was part of the decisions where we decided, okay, we'll go for public cloud, we'll do this S4 on public cloud. And I thought probably another 1.5 years of effort is ahead of us. So when IKEM team and Praful and everybody told me, no, we'll do it by August, I said, okay, let's go ahead. But internally I thought it will take November, December. So I'm pleasantly surprised that we were able to complete it in August. And it's a testament of, I think, both the teams, Blue Spring team as well as IKEM team, and the partnership which actually led to this completion on time. So I'm sure as you go live, there will be some challenges, but if you have reached to that stage on time, I'm sure all those challenges as a team you will be able to come out very cleanly. And again, once again, a big congratulations and to the hard work done by all the controllers, shared services team, IT team who supported them, and obviously the IKEM team. So wish you all the best with the new SAP.